everybody, welcome to Stack Days Day 4. Today we'll be doing remove duplicates from sorted array 2. This is problem 80 in LeetCode. So given an integer array num, sort in non-decreasing order, remove some duplicates in place such that each unique element appears at most twice. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Okay, since it is impossible to change the length of the array in some images, you must instead have the result be placed in the first part. Okay, and then k element. Okay, so basically I went ahead and drew this up, but let's say this is one of the I hope this all makes sense here, and then some other things. Look at the constraints. The length of the array is going to be at least 1, and it's sorted in non-decreasing order. The rest of this is more or less irrelevant to me. So if we have this input array, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, we want to output 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and then this doesn't matter, and then k equals 5, so the first 5 integers are the ones we care about, and this is actually one of the examples that they provide to us. So let's think about this. So we can only have each integer at most twice. So my first thought is we could probably do 2 pointers here, and let's say k here, p's here. You could say we could have p start at k plus 1, and then if they're the same and their difference is just 1, move on. If they're the same and their difference is 2 or more, then we need to move k here and then find the next non-k. I'm not liking that approach. What if, okay, well here we have k. Okay, so if we can only have each integer twice, it's another way of saying we can't have it 3 times. So what we could do is we could just start at index 2, and then we could have we could just start at index 2 and say if k not equals k minus 2, move forward. Have you move forward k, well wait, no, sorry. K, okay, if k equals k minus 2, I need to have you go on k not, and then, okay. So I think what we actually want is we want to see if this is not equal to k minus 2. So if our pointer doesn't equal k minus 2, well, what do we do if our pointer does equal k minus 2? Well, if our pointer equals k minus 2, we need to keep track of this position so that we can change it, and then we need to move this forward. So that's what we do if they equal each other, or if pointer equals k minus 2. And then if pointer not equals k minus 2, set k to pointer, and then increment both. And then pointer not equals k minus 2. I guess we just need to make sure that these equal each other. So, yeah. Okay, yeah. So I think what we could do is we could basically have k start at 2, or pointer start at 2. If pointer not equals k minus 2, make sure nums at pointer equals nums at k equals nums at pointer. Increment both. If nums at pointer not equals k minus 2, make sure k equals to pointer. Nums at pointer equals k minus 2, well then we just need to have it go on. Nums at pointer not equals k minus 2, nums at k equals nums at pointer, and then we will need to make sure. Okay, I think that'll work, and then we can just return k. And also, since we're incrementing pointer every single time, we could just do a for loop, and then this would be O of n with memory O of 1, and I think that's probably a good way of doing this. So we'll have int k equals 2, and then we'll do for int I equals 2, I is less than nums length plus. And we're gonna just change that to I. So what do we need to check again? We need to make sure that if nums at I not equals nums at k minus 2. So as long as, so when we're back to here, or yeah, we're back here and this was a 2, you make sure that nums at I equals nums at k minus 2. We just have I go on, and then if nums at I not equals nums at k minus 2, nums at k equals nums at I, and then k moves on. So nums at k equals nums at I, k moves on. So that works for this small test case. Let's go ahead and run it. Oh, nums. Let's see, did I make that mistake anywhere else? No. Okay, let's go ahead and run it again. That works. Let's try submitting it. Okay, that works. Cool. Well, thank you for joining me for Stack Days Day 4. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Please like and subscribe, and let's just keep on stacking days together.